Alrighty, so today's demo in our follow along project is a little bit of a stumper to me because it doesn't lay out right. Okay? So we need to open up our first floor view, and if we had a basement view, which it looks like we don't, we need to go to our view tab, plan views, floor plan, and then we want one for top of our footing, full height. Okay, so here's our basement, here's the first floor. The reason this is a stumper for me is because if we look at our plans, um, there's not actually enough room for stairs here, I don't think. Okay, this is supposed to be a 10-foot room. Let's just double check and make sure. 10 foot 2 from edge of drywall to edge of drywall. Okay. I don't think there's enough room for our stairs here. Okay, I was playing around with it. I couldn't get it to technically work. So we're just going to do our best to match what the floor plan says, and then if something else happens, oh well. So, architecture tab. Where's our stairs? Stairs. Okay. We want residential right side open, I believe. Let's go open two sides just to be safe, and then if we decide we want a railing later, we can add a railing later. Open two sides. Okay. Base level. Top of footing full with a 4-inch base offset. And then top level, first floor. The reason we have this 4-inch offset is because if we go to our section view, let me just get out of this command real quick. If we go to our section view, and I make sure it's moved over the part of the house with a basement, there is a 4-inch floor system here. Alley. So, goodness me. Freezing up on me. Okay. First floor, stairs, two sides open. We want to go top of footing full, 4 inches, top level, first floor. It's telling us, it's calculating the stairs for us. Okay, there's this thing called stair tread, and so stair tread and risers. Okay, so this looks like a good graphic. Okay, um, your tread is how far of a step you have, like how wide is the step. Okay, your riser is how high is it rising. So it's doing a lot of math for us. And usually with Revit, I don't like Revit's built-in stairs command. And so in other cases, I've actually built my own stairs and I like them better. Okay, but don't go telling Revit that. For now, replacing our stairs, it's going to tell us we need 16 stairs. Let's see which way. There's my 16. We're just going to place it in anywhere now. Let's see, do I see that in my section yet? Yes, I do. Okay, so if you go to your section view, you should be able to see the stairs. I see that I line up on the bottom, but it also looks like I got a gap up top, so we need to figure that out. I'm going to finish these stairs, move my section over where the stairs should be. Oh, and there's our railings. What's going on? Let's get these railings out of there. I don't like them. Um, there they are. Okay. They're just going to mess us up for now. Okay, section 1. There's our stairs. And it looks like we are 1 inch too short. Well, actually, there should be 1/4 inch, and then the floor system should cut right there. So we need want the whole stairs. There we go. Stair system. I might have messed it up by deleting those railings. So let's undo until we get our railings back. I suppose. We'll delete them later. Top offset, 1/4 inch. Okay, let's go check our section again. That lines up correctly. And then your top layer of your floor system should extend 3/4 of an inch that way. So let's do some guesstimation here. Okay, this is a 10-foot room. We need room for our door to swing open. That's a 3-foot door. It's got to be. We can check. And then maybe some extra space for our stairs. So let's look at our first floor plan here. Oh, I don't even have that door there yet. Okay. We'll get that in another video. But right here, 36-inch door. So let's set the top of our stairs to be, we'll say 4 foot. I wish I could select it. Okay. 4 foot from this edge of the wall. In order to see the stairs right now, because remember, they're technically hidden under this floor system, we need to go to our first floor. Where is it? Vertical opening. And then it's going to be hard to select our floor here. Let's go to our 3D, select our floor system. I don't want to edit it, just select it. Go back to our first floor, edit boundary. And then we can come in and just add a opening in here for our stairs. Okay, it's not going to line up yet. We'll line it up later. All we want is to be able to see our stairs from this view. So now I can go in dimension. From the edge of my drywall to the front of my stair, we'll say front of stair to edge of drywall. Select the stairs. We want 4. Oops. Whoa. Fat finger in it. Okay, 4 foot. That gives us space to open our door. And looking at this visually, I think I want 3'6" instead. Still gives you space to open the door without running into the stairs. I think that'll be okay. Let's go check our section. My stairs are backwards. Flip it. There we go. And we'll have to readjust that dimension. It's being funky on me. It's not liking me. So, we'll try it from here. I want the front of that riser $3'6". Okay. Let's go back. First floor. Now we can edit the boundary again and make it match what we actually need. So I'm all over the place right now. Let's see. Section 1. Let's go to our basement plan. That looks like it's placed correct, but let's just confirm. Align to the inside edge of the wall and the edge of our stairs. Back to our first floor. Edit boundary. Align from the edge of our foundation wall to our new opening. Right edge of the stairs, new opening. Bottom edge of the stairs, new opening. And then this opening would more than likely go to that drywall. She would probably go to the stud, but just visually, we're going to leave it where it is right now. Okay. If we check our first floor plan, stairs look good. If we check next floor plan, stairs look good. Now here's the kicker. Here's what is getting me. If we look in our section view, what is incorrect about these stairs is that there is if we check there, go straight down, 3.5 foot of headspace. Okay. No one's walking through these stairs. Okay. One option I do have is to lower my tread. So let's give it a 6-inch tread instead. Change that back to 3'6". And while we're at it, let's lock it in. And then we can see that we have a 6'6" walking space. So something's not right about these stairs. Right now, just visually on the plan, we're gonna leave it at our 11-inch tread. Okay, because I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and some steps. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and some step. So we have it the same. All I'm saying is that these stairs don't actually work. And that's what, like, I was trying to figure this out before I recorded the video, and it was really killing me because I couldn't, because that's wrong. But we're just giving our boss what he wants in this scenario, if you read through this. So, not a huge deal. We've got our stairs. Revit is pretty nice because it will auto calculate the stairs for you. Okay. However, a lot of the things that I've done, okay, again, I've worked at 2 different companies doing this kind of thing professionally. Um, the Revit stairs kind of kick you in the butt, and the way it calculates stairs is not, at least for those 2 companies, not the same as the way they would actually build stairs. Revit tries to evenly space each step. Okay, 5 and 5/8, and then 6 and 5/8, and then you'll check again. Next one will be 6 and 5/8 again. But it gives you, it's not a true 6 and 5/8. It's this weird dimension. Okay, when they build stairs, they're not actually doing that. They're making them all even dimensions. Like no one's going to measure down 39/64. Okay. So that's just the one thing I don't like about it. Um, I suppose now that we have that, we can delete our right side rail. Okay, because no one needs a rail on that side. And I think that is it for stairs. Okay, quick and easy one, but very tricky. Stairs are gonna, at least when I was learning stairs, they kicked me in the butt a little bit.